Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is AW. Thank you for stopping by and following my channel. If you like these kind of videos, please consider subscribing, hitting the like button, and share with family and friends. I have a great recipe I'm sharing with you today and looking forward to the comments in below. Thank you. Hello guys, this is my new Instapot Vortex Air Fryer. It's a 5.7 quart air fryer basket, which is huge. And right here, we have it preheating, getting ready for our shrimp to go in there, which we're making air fried crispy shrimp. I have it preheating on 400 degrees, which is air fry. Hey, this air fryer is awesome and it's going to be around on the channel for a long time. We're looking forward to it, making some great food on it. Today we're making crispy air fried shrimp. I have all my ingredients laid out here. I have the Louisiana fish fry, panko breadcrumbs, a pound and a half of shrimp that's been cleaned, deveined, and shelled. In my Ziploc bag right there, I have 1 cup of the Louisiana fish fry mix and then 1 cup of the panko breadcrumbs. The Louisiana fish fry mix is seasoned, but the breadcrumbs are not. So in my egg wash, I have 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of whole milk, and I think a 1/2 teaspoon of Tony Chacheres herb and spices seasoning that's already in the shrimp. And here, see it at the bottom, we're going to give this a great stir, and then we're going to start putting our shrimp inside the Louisiana and panko mix and then put it in the air fryer. So here we are, we're about to get it started. Now we're going to do a quick stir to get all our shrimp coated in that egg wash. And now we're going to also, after that, we're going to start battering all our shrimp and getting it in the Louisiana and breadcrumb mixture. So here we are. We already have our air fryer preheated, giving it a good mix. And now I'm using a slotted spoon to get the excess liquid off before we put it in the bag. And also, once we coat every shrimp, we're going to lay them out in the basket, and then we're going to hit them with some Pam oil, as you're about to see here. This is a huge basket and it holds a lot of shrimp and cooks them very well. And now we're laying our shrimp in the basket and we're going to get them in there nice and neat. We're not going to overcrowd it. We don't want them on top of each other, but they're going to lay them in there. And that way we can get a lot of good shrimp in there, but it's coming along good. All right, guys, we got it filled up. Now we're going to hit them with some Pam canola oil just to help crisp up that crunchy batter and get it nice and tasty. And we're going to pop them in the air fryer. And I'll bring you guys back once we get them in. This is my first time cooking shrimp, so we're going to play the times by ears. Alrighty. Here, guys, it's been about 8 minutes, and we're going to look and come to find out they're done. They're nice and crispy, tender, crispy, and they're ready to eat. And guys, thank you guys for watching, and we're going to have the final picture here shortly. Simple recipe. Cook and barbecue 247. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Thank you for following along. If you like these kind of videos, please hit subscribe, the like button, and share with family and friends. Until then, to my next video, keep cooking.